Be careful. Oh no, that is way too much. Oh no, not working good. This will make your wiper fail. This is problem. Position 1. Position 3. Not working good. Stop wiper when straight. Perfect positioning. Don't forget. Hydraulic fluid. Lube it well. For winter cleaning, clean it well. Orange mechanic. Very aggressive. Clean. Best oil. Oh. 5W50, excellent wear protection. Oh. Be careful. Oh no, that is way too much. Oh, this is well lubed. Perfect. Nice. Oh, very easy. More oil. Later use as diesel fuel. Perfect. Now use this best product to remove all the remaining oil.